guys, with the snow.
To build a sandcastle.
Sandcastle in the snow.
Watch now, as the boys are taller than the ice. Watch it.
What's what?
The ice. A little lighter ice over there.
Now that you have made your hole, grab your fishing pole and go fishing.
Yep.
I feel like this is going to be a clip that says moments before disaster.
Probably.
I am a fast learner and a risk taker.
I'm a daydreamer, I'm a night worker. I am the perfect learner.
Is it raining? Is that ice?
Ice and snow. Because it's like 25 degrees outside.
25 degrees.
I think so.
There's a lot of it.
Oh, another chunk. More chunk.
Oh yeah, we tried to stop the creek.
Heavy steep.
Yay.
Go back to the Himalayan ice cookies.
Artiste.
Okay.
Greetings. How are you?
He got stuck.
Twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got stuck.
One.
Yeah. You ain't even been in here yet though, I don't hear it.
Yeah. Must have to get in and pull your ass out.
What is it?
Numb Nuts Incorporated over here. Zip ties come off. Snow in my boots. Can't fit my feet. The feeling in my fingers is coming back though.
Good.
Oh, there went the four-wheeler.
Oh no. We're stranded. And we left the M&M's in the shop.
We left your cereal in the shop.
Macaroni with the chicken fingers.
Oh, your boy's about to pull his fat ass out.
Help me,
You need help?
please.
We're gonna leave him.
No.
A few moments later.
We are in a situation. Cody is stuck and he was needing my assistance. So, I drive around, I'm going up this hill to get up here where I'm standing to pull him out. Well, guess what happened? I got stuck. So, I'm trying to use my winch up to that tree right there and pull myself out. Well, my winch has got itself in some kind of bind and, well, I can't get it pulled out. So now, Cody threw me his tow rope to use, and now I gotta dig in my pockets and maybe find a knife to cut the zip ties to get us unstuck. So, that's what kind of day, or not day, this moment we're having right now. It's also snowing now, which is great.
I'm scared of water.
You're scared of water? Damn, you must be pissing your pants right now.
Water everywhere. I'm stuck underneath. Water everywhere. Not the ounce of beef.
I am under the water. Blue, blue, blue.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Where did the M&M's that you go?
The M&M's are in the shop. Ah. Put that on the t-shirt.
Yoda tacos.
Give it the beans. Yoda's tacos. Well, I'm gonna try to get unstuck and we'll get him unstuck.
Please, help me.
Again. Hello guys. I'm winching myself up. Cody's over there still. We'll get there by next week.
A few minutes later.
Hello guys. I've rescued Cody. He's over there. He's probably about to get stuck again. But yeah, here I am. Now I got to get up me stuff, like my safety chain, if you will. Okay, there we go, we got it off. If you're wishing your friend out from a sketchy spot, I highly recommend getting like a tow rope to put around the tree so you don't eat crap. And if you look over here, he's stuck again. Might as well call this Dylan's tow truck. Oh, he's out. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, he is stuck again.
Oh, it's game over here.
We'll be right back. Hello friendings, I have unstuck myself for the third or fourth time. Cody's still stuck, but I got to pull myself over there so I can pull him up the bank because he's sunk his four-wheeler. What? We'll get there.
One for both our wieners. Hello guys.
Talking about hot hands. So let me explain the current situation to you. We got probably the first tow rope we ever got. Janky looking thing, $3 we paid for it. To Cody's retractable tow rope, to my winch, to my four-wheeler which is stuck once again. And then I'm gonna try to pull it out. And then Cody's gonna use his winch and pull him out from me, which is from all this janky ass stuff. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4 different lines. So we got like 4 types of towing, 2 numb nuts, half a brain cell, and about 6 hot hands. What could go wrong? Water's clear though. Look at the back tire, it's just like clean.
Oh, you're a plastic bag here?
Yeah.
Sitting on my tires.
Oh no. And that wheel? Packed full of shit.
What the fuck?
Okay, hold up just a second, my guy. Gonna have to pull myself up a little bit first.
I'm gonna hook it on to like let it have slack.
Oh.
So you can stay with you. Then we'll hook it up.
Abby, put it more. Did we lock mine? Nope. I think I can reach it. Hello guys, going down. Guys, I didn't just break that, did I? Oh no, I loosened it.
What?
Here we go, you hold camera now.
Okay.
You in charge of the head all the time.
I throw in the water.
Oh.
Come on, Dylan. Save us all.
Hook it on me or in here now?
Nope, because it won't come out.
Well, now's the time. Fuck.
Oh, here we go. Here you go.
Hey guys, you ain't gotta do the clutch. You can just do it out and pull it.
No, it won't pull.
Taters, you know what I mean?
Oh, some taters would slap. That's out. What are you smoking?
Crack.
That's out. What?
Oh, okay, then it's bound around. Then you gotta go in some to get it back out.
Oh.
Oh no, my stickers. Voluptuous.
Promise you tomorrow. I got it right there.
Artiste, I promise.
Huh?
Artiste.
Artista.
Carabiner.
What'd you do? What'd you do? I'll your son.
Your helmet.
Okay.
The carabiner now. Sticking up for you. Not no more.
Okay.
Hey, you got it.
Promise you.
Okay, you got a lock thing.
Not yet. Are you gonna do it now?
Go ahead and lock it and you can let it out if we need.
Okay. Battery might die, but okay.
You go. We got the babies. We got this.
I don't know where all that. Oh, we got deep right there. Probably. Hello, guys. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're going, boys. Oh, yeah.
How we doing?
Draining.
Good.
Very good.
Yeah, this winch can't handle both. Oh, look, where the ice come out of my four-wheel tire. Mud and ice. Yeet.
Okay.
You start?
I don't know about
The
that.
winch can't handle both these four-wheelers.
Come on, you humpy.
Dang. It's worse than I thought. Good. It's a Honda. Oh no, it's because you're running low on boost.
Oh, crank that up.
I did. About
Okay.
20 pounds.
That's too little.
Too little.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully we're unstuck now.
To the house, I'm cold.
To the house. Thank you for joining us.